cannot believe how hard it is to play the piano with gloves on. But anyway, I got this keyboard for Christmas, but it didn't come with a stand. Now I could have done what any normal sane person would do and buy one on Amazon for 30 bucks, but where's the fun in that when you can spend like 10 hours building one?
Okay, so this is not going to be a full tutorial on how to build this keyboard stand because I based my design off of this tutorial here, which you should totally check out if you're planning on building a keyboard stand. I am, however, going to go over the changes and upgrades that I made to the original design. Okay, the main upgrade I made was to add these speaker stands on either side of the stand. This is an incredibly simple and useful upgrade that is essential if you plan on using the stand with a MIDI controller like I am. I also extended the legs rather than use feet like in the tutorial. I also decided not to use any 2x2s for accents because it is only a decorative piece and isn't really necessary, and let's be honest, the main reason was because I was too lazy to rip down some 2x4s. Another change I made was to the height of the seat. This will vary on every stand depending on the user and the height of the keyboard. Also, I do not have the jig that was used in the tutorial and I am too cheap to buy one, so I did it by hand. The main piece of advice I can offer if you try to do this is to clamp everything. I normally do not clamp anything, but it was so handy in this project. Okay, hopefully this video was helpful or entertaining and inspires you to build one of these. It certainly looks way better than a store-bought stand and it can be customized to individual needs. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Please check out my other videos, hit that like button, and consider subscribing.
Try this again. This is, what, take 10-ish? I'm actually getting better at playing with gloves on.